How to fix try searching to get started on YouTube. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to fix try searching to get started on YouTube. Now then, to begin with, first of all, you could turn on your watch history. So open up your YouTube application and log in. Tap on the profile initials from the bottom right corner and then tap on the three dot icon from the bottom right once again and go to settings. So as you go to the settings section, what next you want to do is on this page, click on manage all history. So when you click on the manage all history button, there you could see this section. Go to the controls tab and there you have these YouTube history. So you want to toggle it on and turn it on. This is going to help you out. After you're done turning it on, you could tap on the search bar and look for videos or content. And that is how you could fix try searching to get started on YouTube. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.